Howdy friends, welcome back to the House of Tone. My name is Wes Lee and I'm a professional band instrument repair technician. I started a YouTube channel to show what my life is like in the trades. I appreciate you stopping by today. We got a cool one today, we're going to jump right into it. Aside from my super messy bench, what we have is a beautiful Mark VI Bari. Now this belongs to a school, but I can't believe how good of condition. No lost motion here. Just everything's just really nice. Boom, boom, boom. Man, just pops like crazy. Here's the problem. The bell. And what happens is when you go to close the bell keys, the B flat falls when you finger the B. So that's coming up. Then something is going on with the C sharp key down here. It's going crazy anytime you touch anything. Upon inspection back here at the bell brace, we can see that this is loose. We can also see that there is a dent right here at the flange where the bell brace mounts. So we've got some issues here. Now we're going to zoom in a lot closer. My pads seat beautifully and pop, but we've got this dent. This bell flange is pushed that way towards these tone holes. Now this screw is just loose, so that's what this is shaking around. But this denotes that the bell is in the wrong spot. When we flip back over to our bell keys and we go to push them, they don't close. They don't come near about closing. So the bell is in the wrong spot, and that's a problem. The other thing that's a real serious issue, let's see, is that I noticed here, look how spongy this triple post is. So something's up here. That shouldn't be like that. And then upon further examination, right there, the solder, the rib, is pulling away from the body. But our pad seats so good, the tone holes are level. So somehow this damage happened and didn't take out any of these parts. If this were a customer's private instrument, we would probably take the body tube off and remove this damage. But this is a school instrument. They don't have the budget for that. So we're not going to worry about this dent, this brown spot dent right here. We are going to put the bell back where it belongs. Use the chasing hammer, lay all this down, bring this back over. I will have to disassemble the upper section because we have to realign and solder this post up here. I made a tool. This is a threaded brass rod that's going to screw into here. And then I put a notch so I can pull my slide hammer on this. And I'm going to bink, 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 and bring it back that way. That's what we're doing today. Okay, checking in on our bell keys. Pop is back. Very nice. C sharp's not, I hit that with my thumb. C-sharp's not doing that crazy jump around. Now our low B is still not quite there on this side. So let's see. It'll get there. Now, I also noticed this is the low B post. I'm sorry, the low B flat key. The post is pulling away. This solder joint is pulling away as well. So we're going to have to deal with that. Now that we've got it disassembled, you can see how much of a gap in this solder joint that we have where this is pulling away. I'll zoom that in. That's a pretty significant gap there. And just a lot of wobble. Somehow, it did not take out these tone holes. So we need to get this area cleaned up real good, realign it, and resolder it. So I've got my post put back into place. Got the B flat key back on. I'm letting the B flat key call the shots. That was the one that was most affected by this post being bent that way. So I've got it back nice and tight on here. Help that area blend in a little better. Now this is our low B flat key. And looking at this pad has never sealed. The pad seats up here, nothing down here at all. So now we got to make it right. Nice pop. And look how much of a seat all the way around and just letting it fall under its own gravity. That was our worst key. Let's get it put back together now. Oh yeah. And you can look at the reflections on the body from the tone holes and you can see everything's seating. There's no light coming through. Plus you've got the pop. Nice. Well, thanks everybody for dropping by the House of Tone today. I appreciate it. Hope you got something out of that. That Bari rocks. I love those old Mark VIs. So do a whole lot of people, but yeah, that's killer horn. Maybe you got some stuff out of that you can use in your own shop or have in your trick bag. All right. Thanks for the support, everybody. This is Wes Lee signing out.